Hi there, it's V from Helping Ninja. It's back to school time. Many of you might have school attending children and maybe you've been asked to provide them with a new computer. Of course, all of them have phones, tablets or notebooks to play around with. And be honest, how many of them and how often do they use them for studying, really? When I asked myself this question, I got this brilliant idea, and yet in a way evil idea. Why not provide younglings with a computer that will enable them to do school stuff and also force them to learn something new? Something that will in time transfer into valuable skills that they will be able to utilize in their future. Yes, I'm talking about Raspberry Pi. This computer is about learning new things from the start. If you buy a kit version, they need to assemble the computer itself first. Then they need to connect all the peripherals to it, like monitor, keyboard, mouse, network, and so on. After that, they will need to know, or better learn, how to install the operating system on it. And basically, how to use Linux-based operating system on daily basis. So, what can you do with Raspberry Pi when using it as a desktop computer? Well, basically everything you would need from the office computer. You can use it to browse the internet, use it to email. It also has a whole office suite called LibreOffice pre-installed. If you're not familiar with this, it's a free open source suite similar to Microsoft Office with applications like Excel, Word, and so on. In addition, Raspberry Pi is one of the best tools to learn about coding and electronics. It has this 40-pin GPIO bus, that's general purpose input-output bus, which you can learn to use to monitor and control many devices. And later, when you get a little bit more proficient with Raspberry Pi, you can use it as your own private server or media center or build thousands of different projects. Just check out a few links I've put in the description. Or watch this video about Raspberry Pi, the link's somewhere up in the corner. What I'm trying to say here is Raspberry Pi is a great device and awesome tool to study upon. And last but not least, it's really cheap compared to other computers, so you can surprise someone with it. That will be all for today. If this kind of video helps you, please do consider subscribing to my channel and hitting that like button. Thanks for watching, take care, bye bye!